Go, go, go! Oh, nako'y feeling na malahina ang top 5. I got this feeling. Oh my God. The correct answer is pragmatic component. May mga wrong. Let's reveal the scores. Ay! Balingas at South Barifal with Mantikaw A. Naawan B is in. Nawala si Mantikaw B. Talisayan B and Salay A. Kaya pa ba? Make it to the top 5 in the next question. This component pertains to the meaning of words and sentences. What is that? 2 more answers. 2, 1. The correct answer is semantic component. Who is the top 5? Let's see. Bumalik si Mantikaw A. Balingas Ragsol, Talisayan B, Salay A, and Mantikaw B. So mo dira guys, kumusta ang internet? Kaya pa sa likod? Kaya laban? Let's go to the next question and beat Mantikaw A. This component of language development involves understanding and manipulating the sounds of language. Go, go, go! The correct answer is phonological. Si Mantikaw A pa kaya? Let's reveal the top 5. Still Mantikaw A. Followed by Talisayan B. Nawala sinaawan. Mantikaw B, Salay A, and Kinogitan A. Nice! Let's go to the next question. This component focuses on the structure and grammar of sentences. Correct answer is syntactic component. Let's reveal. Ouch! Nawala bigla si Talisayan. Anong nangyari? Still on the lead is Mantikaw A. Salay, you are so close. Next question, please. What is the sequence of 5 E's in the 5E approach? Gabaan. Go, go, go! Kaya pa ba sa top 5? Three, 2, 1. Are you ready for the top 5? Let's reveal. Mantikaw A pa rin, followed by Kinogitan A, Salay A, Balingas Agsal, and Mantikaw B. Beat Mantikaw A in the next question. These are 2 or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. Come on, beat Mantikaw A. Unsa naman ang mga signal, ma'am? Let's reveal the rhyming words. Let's look at the top 5. Salay A, you're almost there. You're almost going to beat Mantikaw. Beat them in the next question. What rhymes with the word song? Correct answer is long. Let's reveal. Oh, the same pa rin ang top 5. You think we can change your fate in the next question? Kaya pa? Dili mawalan og? Let's go! Which one is a compound word? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Correct answer is cell phone. Let's reveal. It's still mantika.